Hi, welcome to Foresights TV, and this is me, Anushka Tyagi. In a significant diplomatic breakthrough, India has successfully negotiated the discharge and facilitated the return of all Indian nationals serving in the Russian army amidst ongoing tensions surrounding the Russia Ukraine conflict. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention during informal talks with Russian President Vladimir Putin at Novo Ogaryovo has yielded this outcome, marking a pivotal moment in bilateral relations. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Let's have a look at it with me, Anushka Tyagi. Prime Minister Modi, during his informal meeting with President Putin, raised the urgent issue of Indian citizens recruited into the Russian military and the conflict in Ukraine. This move comes after the unfortunate deaths of two Indian nationals involved in the conflict, prompting India to push for their immediate discharge and safe return. The development underscores India's assertive diplomacy in safeguarding the interest of its citizens abroad. Ahead of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization SCO summit, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar also engaged with his Russian counterpart Sergei to emphasize the need for expeditious action on this matter. The discussions were part of broader talks aimed at enhancing bilateral cooperation and addressing regional challenges, including the peaceful resolution of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. The official talks scheduled between Prime Minister Modi and President Putin are expected to delve into critical economic issues such as energy, trade, and production alongside discussions on the Ukraine crisis. Sources indicate that both leaders will reaffirm their commitment to diplomatic efforts in resolving the conflict, underscoring India's consistent stance on advocating for peace and dialogue over military confrontation. Since the onset of the Russian invasion of the Ukraine in 2022, Prime Minister Modi has maintained a proactive diplomatic engagement, emphasizing the global implications of the conflict and stressing the imperative of diplomatic solutions. India, while maintaining a strategic partnership with Russia, has reiterated the necessity of upholding international norms and responding Ukraine's territorial integrity in line with the UN Charter. In conclusion, India's successful negotiation for the return of Indian nationals from the Russian army reflects its diplomatic acumen and commitment to safeguarding its citizens' welfare amidst global crisis. The upcoming official talks between Prime Minister Modi and President Putin are poised to strengthen bilateral ties, further focusing on mutual economic interest and contributing to regional stability. As the world observes these developments, India's diplomatic initiatives underscore its role as a responsible global actor, advocating for peaceful resolutions and international cooperation.